Wildfires are an increasingly devastating threat, destroying thousands of homes and lives every year. Protect your home with the Hurricane Roof Sprinkler, a revolutionary system designed to safeguard your property during fire emergencies. This state-of-the-art sprinkler system is installed along the roofline and surrounding areas, offering complete coverage to defend your home against the dangers of flying embers, radiant heat, and direct flames. Built with high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials, the Hurricane Roof Sprinkler is designed to withstand extreme heat, harsh weather, and years of use. The system works by distributing a powerful, high-pressure water spray across your roof and nearby vegetation, creating a protective barrier that reduces the risk of ignition. Its unique nozzle design ensures even and wide coverage, soaking vulnerable areas to stop fires before they start. Whether embers are carried by wind or temperatures skyrocket, this sprinkler is your first line of defense. What makes the Hurricane Roof Sprinkler truly innovative is its smart activation system. Equipped with heat sensors and remote operation capabilities, it can be triggered automatically when fire threats are detected, or manually controlled via an app or switch, even when you're miles away. This provides peace of mind, knowing your home is protected even if you aren't there. For those conscious of water conservation, the system can be connected to rainwater harvesting tanks or reservoirs, ensuring eco-friendly operation without compromising performance. Plus, its installation is seamless and compatible with most residential roof types, whether flat or sloped. The Hurricane Roof Sprinkler is more than a product. It's an investment in safety, security, and preparedness. Protect what matters most with this reliable, efficient, and smart solution. When fire season strikes, you'll be ready. Introducing F.A.C.E, the revolutionary self-activating fire suppression device designed to protect your spaces effortlessly. Did you know that fires spread in seconds, causing devastating losses? That's why F.A.C.E was created, a compact, efficient, and automatic solution for fire emergencies. The F.A.C.E device is powered by advanced heat-sensitive technology. Once it detects a temperature surge, it automatically activates, releasing a non-toxic extinguishing agent that smothers the fire at its source. No need for manual operation or batteries. It works entirely on its own. Its compact design allows for seamless installation in kitchens, garages, offices, or industrial spaces. It's perfect for areas prone to fire risks, giving you peace of mind 24/7. With certifications for safety and reliability, F.A.C.E meets international standards, making it a trusted choice for families and businesses alike. Protect what matters most. Choose F.A.C.E, the ultimate guardian against fire. Your safety, simplified. F.A.C.E fire safety that activates itself, so you don't have to. FarmBot is an innovative open-source CNC farming system designed to automate small-scale gardening and agriculture. Combining precision technology with sustainable practices, it offers a glimpse into the future of farming. At its core, FarmBot is a programmable robotic system that plants, waters, weeds, and monitors crops autonomously. It moves along a track system, similar to a 3D printer or CNC machine, delivering inputs with millimeter-level accuracy. This ensures that every seed, drop of water, or fertilizer is applied exactly where it's needed, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. The beauty of FarmBot lies in its open-source nature. Blueprints, software, and hardware designs are freely available, empowering enthusiasts and farmers to build, customize, and improve the system. It uses free software, accessible via a web app, allowing users to create planting plans and control the robot remotely, even from a smartphone. FarmBot is a game-changer for backyard farmers, urban gardeners, and educational institutions. It promotes sustainable farming practices while inspiring innovation in agricultural technology. By merging robotics and open-source collaboration, FarmBot is paving the way for accessible, efficient, and eco-friendly food production. Welcome to the future of farming, where technology meets sustainability. Are you ready to elevate your home spa experience to new heights? Meet the F.A.C.E, the ultimate innovation in personal wellness technology. Designed by the industry leader in sauna and wellness solutions, the F.A.C.E combines cutting-edge design, advanced functionality, and unparalleled craftsmanship to create the perfect escape from the stresses of everyday life. At first glance, the Aspiro exudes elegance. Its compact size and modern aesthetic make it ideal for any living space, whether you're transforming a corner of your bathroom, home gym, or relaxation room. But don't let its size fool you. This is a powerhouse of relaxation. The Claf's Aspiro is a fully functional steam bath that delivers all the benefits of a luxurious spa right in the comfort of your home. Using state-of-the-art technology, it generates gentle, even steam to relax your muscles, detoxify your body, and rejuvenate your mind. Customization is at your fingertips with the intuitive control panel. Adjust the temperature, set a timer, or activate aromatherapy options to suit your mood. Whether you prefer a quick 15-minute session or a longer, meditative experience, the Aspiro adapts to your needs effortlessly. Not only is the Aspiro a haven of relaxation, but it's also eco-friendly. Clafs has prioritized sustainable materials and energy-efficient operation, ensuring you can enjoy guilt-free indulgence while minimizing your environmental footprint. Imagine ending your day enveloped in soothing steam, letting all your worries drift away. With the Clafs Aspiro, wellness isn't just a luxury, it's a lifestyle. So why wait? Transform your home into the ultimate sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Clafs Aspiro, your personal escape, redefined. Introducing the Cafe Appliances Kitchen Hub, a revolutionary smart device that transforms your kitchen into a connected culinary workspace. This sleek, high-tech hub is more than just a range hood. It combines modern design with practical functionality to streamline your cooking and entertainment experience. At its heart is a 27-inch touchscreen display that serves as your ultimate control center. Powered by smart home technology, the Kitchen Hub lets you browse recipes, watch cooking tutorials, and manage your smart appliances, all in one place. Need inspiration for dinner? Use its built-in guided cooking programs to create gourmet dishes with ease. With integrated Wi-Fi and Google Assistant, the Kitchen Hub allows hands-free control of your smart devices. Whether you're setting timers, adjusting the thermostat, or playing your favorite playlist, it's all just a voice command away. But that's not all. The Kitchen Hub features dual HD cameras, perfect for video calls or live streaming your culinary creations. The forward-facing camera captures you in action, while the overhead camera offers a clear view of your countertop. Built with a powerful ventilation system, it efficiently removes smoke, steam, and odors, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh and comfortable. The minimalist design, available in stainless steel and custom finishes, complements any modern kitchen aesthetic. Elevate your cooking experience with the Cafe Appliances Kitchen Hub, a game-changer for tech-savvy chefs and home cooks alike. It's more than an appliance. It's the centerpiece of your connected kitchen. We Do Solar is a groundbreaking company dedicated to empowering homeowners and businesses to adopt renewable energy with ease. At its core, We Do Solar provides innovative, easy-to-install solar panel solutions designed to fit urban lifestyles. The flagship product is their smart solar panel system, which comes in a sleek, modular design. These lightweight panels can be mounted on balconies or walls, making them ideal for apartments and small spaces. Unlike traditional solar systems, We Do Solar's panels don't require professional installation. Anyone can set them up in minutes. But the innovation doesn't stop at hardware. The system is paired with a smart app that allows users to monitor energy production in real time. This transparency not only helps track savings, but also makes it easier to understand your contribution to reducing carbon emissions. Each kit can generate up to 40% of a typical household's annual energy consumption, cutting electricity bills while helping the environment. The panels are made from durable, weather-resistant materials, ensuring they last for years with minimal maintenance. What makes We Do Solar truly unique is their mission to democratize access to renewable energy. They aim to provide affordable and user-friendly solutions, ensuring that even renters and urban dwellers can participate in the green energy revolution. We Do Solar is more than just a solar company, it's a movement towards a sustainable future. By turning every balcony into a mini power plant, they are redefining how we produce and consume energy in our daily lives. Switch to We Do Solar today and take a simple yet powerful step toward a greener tomorrow. Are you tired of wrestling with sheets and fighting with corners every time you make your bed? Say hello to Easy Maker, the ultimate solution to hassle-free bed making. With Easy Maker, making your bed has never been this simple or quick. Its innovative design ensures perfectly tucked sheets and smooth, wrinkle-free bedding every single time. Whether you're in a rush, have mobility challenges, or just want a perfectly made bed without the struggle, Easy Maker has got you covered. Here's how it works. Slide, tuck, and lock. The patented Easy Slide mechanism adjusts to your mattress size, while the durable, built-in clips securely hold your sheets in place. And don't worry about bulk. The sleek, lightweight design makes Easy Maker easy to store when you're done. Perfect for busy mornings, tired nights, and everyone in between. Easy Maker turns a daily chore into a breeze. Upgrade your bedroom experience today and enjoy more time for the things you love. So why struggle? Try Easy Maker, the easy way to make your bed. Available now online and at select retailers near you.